Hello kids! Let's learn some colors name. Dark blue color, violet color, light green color, yellow color, orange color, dark green color, pink color, sky blue color, red color, brown color, purple color. Today we'll learn some alphabets. A, L, Q, Y, orange color, B, K, R, Z, yellow color, C, J, W, sky blue color, D, H, P, V, light green color, E, N, O, pink color, F, I, T, X, violet color, G, M, S, U, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.